Every phone notification, every saved password, every screenshot, every reminder. What if all these things are quietly changing the human brain itself? What if humans are slowly forgetting how to remember? Imagine waking up one day with no internet, no cloud storage, no phone contacts, no GPS, no search engines. Would humanity still function the same way? Or have our devices become a second brain we can no longer live without? Welcome to Discovery Instinct. Today we explore a chilling possibility. What if human memory depends more on devices than the brain? Thousands of years ago, humans memorized everything. Stories were passed from generation to generation without writing. People remembered directions using stars and landmarks. Phone numbers, birthdays, important information, all stored inside the mind. But today, most people can barely remember 5 phone numbers. Why? Because smartphones remember for us. Your device remembers birthdays. It remembers routes. It remembers passwords. It remembers appointments. Even memories themselves are stored as photos and videos. The human brain is slowly outsourcing memory to machines. Scientists call this digital dependence, and it may already be reshaping how humans think. Have you noticed something strange? The moment you forget something, you don't try to remember anymore. You search for it. This behavior is so common that researchers gave it a name: the Google effect. The brain starts treating the internet like external memory storage. Instead of remembering information itself, people remember where to find the information. You may not remember a fact, but you remember the app, website, or video where you saw it. The brain adapts to convenience, and over time, memory muscles become weaker from lack of use, just like unused muscles in the body. Technology makes life easier, but convenience always comes with a hidden cost. Here's the scary question. If devices remember everything for us, will humans eventually stop developing strong memory entirely? Imagine children growing up unable to memorize directions without GPS, unable to calculate without calculators, unable to focus without constant stimulation. Some experts fear humans may lose deep thinking abilities because modern technology encourages short attention spans. Infinite scrolling, fast content, constant notifications. The brain becomes addicted to speed instead of reflection. People consume more information than ever before, but remember less of it. Knowledge is no longer stored inside the mind. It's stored in servers, clouds, and algorithms. And if those systems fail, millions could suddenly lose access to parts of their own memory. Now imagine this. One day the entire digital network suddenly collapses. No internet, no cloud backups, no GPS, no search engines. Your phone becomes almost useless. Could people still navigate cities from memory? Could they remember emergency numbers? Could businesses survive without digital storage? For many people, the answer might be no. Human civilization has become deeply connected to machines. In some ways, phones are no longer tools. They are extensions of the human brain. A second memory system carried in our pockets. And every year, that connection grows stronger. But there's another problem. Devices don't just store memory, they influence memory. Algorithms decide what you see, what trends, what appears in your feed. Over time, technology shapes what people remember and what they forget. A viral post can become more remembered than real-life experiences. Sometimes people record moments instead of truly living them. Concerts, vacations, even
And then the
family
giant
moments,
tofu monster ate it
viewed
all.
through screens, saved digitally,
Oh, you
but
always make
emotionally
that up.
forgotten. The more humans rely on devices to preserve memories, the less natural memory may be exercised, and something deeply human could slowly fade away. In the future, technology may go even further. Scientists are already developing brain-computer interfaces. Artificial intelligence systems may eventually store memories externally. One day, humans might even upload memories digitally. Imagine remembering your entire life perfectly with one device. Sounds powerful, but also terrifying. Because if memory can be stored digitally, could it also be edited, manipulated, deleted? The line between human intelligence and artificial intelligence may become harder to see, and humanity could face a question never asked before. If your memories exist outside your brain, what truly makes you human? Technology has made human life faster, easier, and more connected. But every convenience changes us in return. Maybe devices are helping humanity evolve, or maybe they are quietly replacing abilities humans once depended on for survival. The real question is, are smartphones becoming tools for memory or replacements for it? This is Discovery Instinct. If this video made you think differently, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-opening discoveries. And remember, the most powerful storage system ever created may still be the human brain.